आपका ओपिनियन हो सकता है कि अननेसेसरी सॉन्ग है, लेकिन मेरे लिए
जी
इफ इट्स अ वेडिंग सीक्वेंस गाने तो होने चाहिए, वरना that Ranveer Singh is dancing on the song, that is big enough for me. But the fact that he came, he pulled me on stage and he said, it is your song.
Tell me about that moment. What was it like for you, and what did that gesture mean to you?
They know this is your moment and he's letting you have your moment. And very few actors especially are okay with that, are supportive of that, and this is something I will always remember for the rest of my life. I went to Nick Jonas's profile, I checked, I'm like, what? Is he really saying that that is his pre-song?
But you know, he kept pushing you to the center so that you could own that stage, while he was of course cheering and dancing along with you.
I wasn't prepared at all, Aishwarya, otherwise I wouldn't have worn a sari. I wouldn't have worn a sari to do this step at all. But, you know, it is what it is. उन्होंने मुझे already बोल दिया था कि Aisha is doing it, तो मैंने उनको थोड़ा stalk कर लिया. मैंने बोला, wow man, she can dance. Like, oh my god, pressure that she can dance. It made me feel like this song is going to be a hit.
Yeah.
Because she can dance.
Yes.
Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Hello, hi, namaste. This is Aishwarya and I am from India Forums. And today, joining me in conversation is Crystal D'Souza. Hello, Crystal.
Hi, Aishwarya. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm good. Should I take your interview today?
No. Christmas just went by. How was your Christmas celebration?
I had a blast, honestly. मैंने अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ पहले सेलिब्रेट किया 24th रात को, फिर 25th को पूरे दिन अपने फैमिली के साथ थी. मेरा फोन कॉन्फिस्केट हुआ, तो इसीलिए मेरे पास कुछ वीडियोस नहीं है, कुछ फोटोज नहीं है.
You enjoyed
But I enjoyed it क्योंकि मेरा फोन is non-stop buzzing, तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती थी.
शरारत.
Yeah, everywhere शरारत शरारत शरारत. So my mom said कि today no शरारत, today family. तो बिल्कुल बहुत मजा आया, अपने फैमिली के साथ स्पेंड किया. They made some amazing food. बहुत टाइम बाद मैंने बहुत सारा खाना खाया.
Wow. But let's now talk about one of the most popular tracks of the year 2025.
Yes.
Congratulations, Crystal. The song Shararat is everywhere on social media. People are making reels, edits बन रहे, dance covers. They are showing so much love.
Yeah.
क्या कहना चाहोगे?
मैं यही कहना चाहूंगी कि ये मैंने बिल्कुल एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था. ऑफ कोर्स मुझे पता था कि इट्स अ बिग फिल्म, इट विल बी अ गुड सॉन्ग, बट ये लेवल का मैंने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था. तो मेरे लिए रोज एक अलग सरप्राइज फील हो रहा है. एवरी डे आई वेक अप सेइंग व्हाट, आज इतना, आज ये, आज वो. लाइक निक जीजू ने टैग किया है, और in general, like you just see globally, it's a sensation at this point. And मुझे बहुत proud feeling हो रही है, like not just for me, for the entire film, because हर एक गाना बहुत अच्छा है. हर एक गाने का के अलग audience है, same audience है, everyone's loving all the songs. I love the picturizations also of all the songs. So I feel like this film is not just a good film, but a good film with good songs and a good star cast and a good ensemble cast, and like everything just fell in place together. I think this is such a blessing in disguise moment for me. Yeah.
By the way, what was your reaction when you saw Nick Jonas dancing to the beats of Shararat?
पहले तो मुझे लगा कि मुझे ना किसी और ने टैग किया था, लाइक आई थिंक अ न्यूज चैनल और समथिंग हैड टैग. तो मैंने वो खोला था जब मैं उठी हूँ, एंड मैंने देखा कि निक जीजू इज डांसिंग और बैकग्राउंड में शरारत चल रहा है. तो मुझे लगा कि ऐसे ही वो बना दिया कि बैकग्राउंड में सॉन्ग इज माय सॉन्ग, लेकिन कुछ और ही होगा इन रियल. सो आई वेंट टू निक जोनस प्रोफाइल, आई चेक, आई एम लाइक व्हाट, इज ही रियली सेइंग दैट दैट इज हिज प्री सॉन्ग? दैट इज अमेजिंग. I couldn't believe it. I just couldn't believe it. मैंने अपने सारे फैमिली ग्रुप पे, फ्रेंड ग्रुप पे, like a fan of myself, I sent it to everyone.
Wow. Well, I don't know कितने लोगों ने ये चीज नोटिस किया कि नहीं. On the day of music album launch, जब आप सब स्टेज पे थे, dancing and singing, तब Ranveer Singh is a superstar, right?
Yes.
But he kept pushing you to the center so that you could own that stage, while he was of course cheering and dancing along with you. Tell me about that moment. What was it like for you, and what did that gesture mean to you?
I've always believed, and I've always said it, for years I've said it, that there's enough sun for everyone.
Yeah.
So I feel like, he is exhibit A of that.
Yeah.
It is so big of him, and so, caring. You see a different side of a person where they want you to shine. They know this is your moment and he's letting you have your moment. And very few actors especially are okay with that, are supportive of that, and this is something I will always remember for the rest of my life. The way he made me feel for my song launch on that day, you know, he could have just let me be even sitting down while he was on stage and launching the song, and that would also be big enough for me. That Ranveer Singh is dancing on the song, that is big enough for me. But the fact that he came, he pulled me on stage and he said, it is your song, you do the steps, I'll copy it. I don't know if you can see what he's saying.
But he was constantly pushing you, right?
And then he kept putting me in the center also, like, you know, take your moment, take your moment. And honestly, I felt like that is so big of him, that is so lovely of him, and I've always looked up to him, but that just created a new space of respect for him. And I felt like that surge of energy in me. I felt like suddenly I have like amazing vibes because of the vibes that he gave. I think he gives out that energy. Like, you feel like, oh, this is the Ranveer Singh energy. No, it's the Ranveer Singh effect. He gives out that effect to everyone around him. That energy just transfers and transforms you into this ball of energy. And I loved it. I loved every minute on that stage. And I keep rewatching those videos because I wasn't prepared at all, Aishwarya. Otherwise, I wouldn't have worn a sari. I wouldn't have worn a sari to do this step at all. But, you know, it is what it is. And I think the sari also was looking beautiful.
Beautiful, And the steps were looking beautiful. जो सोशल मीडिया पे वीडियोस आ रहे हैं, जो भी हम देख रहे BTS रिहर्सल्स, उससे आई एम अज्यूमिंग कि आप दोनों, आप और आयशा, पहले स्टार्टिंग में रिहर्सल साथ में नहीं किए थे?
नहीं किए थे.
ओह, सो कैसा था फर्स्ट मीटिंग रिहर्सल के टाइम पे?
हम मिले थे एंड उन्होंने मुझे ऑलरेडी बोल दिया था कि आयशा इज डूइंग, तो मैंने उनको थोड़ा स्टॉक कर लिया. मैंने बोला, वाओ मैन, शी कैन डांस, because on her page you can see a lot of dancing. So I was like, wow, she can dance. And you know what, it didn't make me feel like, oh my god, pressure that she can dance. It made me feel like this song is going to be a hit because she can dance. So you know, it's like when you have a good co-star in a scene, you know the scene is going to be good. You have a good co-dancer, you know the song is going to be good. So I was so like excited to have somebody who knows what they're doing. And you know, the energy that she also brought to set, I think was amazing. So yeah, we met at the rehearsal and we realized that we can't rehearse together क्योंकि उनके lines अलग है और मेरे lines अलग थे.
Of course.
तो अगर हम एक ही hall में rehearse करते तो time consuming हो जाता. पहले उनको एक line सिखाना, फिर मुझे एक line सिखाना, और हमारे पास 3 दिन थे. तो so then we literally we would be like doing our separate things. Then on set when we rehearse together. And वो आया ना साथ में, that just looked like, hi, wow, you know, both of us complemented each other. We are two very different looking, very different kind of personalities as well. But put together, I think it just, you know, sometimes it's like things just match even though you don't think they would.
Yeah. And how was the shooting day like?
Hectic. Very hectic, because, you know, finishing a song in almost 2 days, finishing a whole song is hectic, and it's only possible if your choreography team is on point, your director knows what he wants, your DOP is amazing, which he is, and you know, your whole team, like everyone knows what they're doing, then it is, you know, easy to finish it. But yeah, it was hectic, it was fun, and literally the song was playing all day, but after pack up, we have still danced to the song. Like pack up हो गया, हम फिर भी उसी गाने पे नाचे, because we didn't get bored of it, and that's why I know the audience will not get bored of it. Because imagine doing each line for 2 days back to back on the same song, and you're not bored of it after pack up. You want to, even I remember I went for an award function right after pack up from there, and on the way to the award function, I'm only singing then. We are
still dancing to it.
So I like after backup, you want to be like, bas yaar, nahi sunna ye gana. But I was like, no, on loop. And that time we didn't have the audio. So jo rehearsal ka wo tha, main usi se sun ke khush ho rahi thi.
The Shararat fever is still on, right?
It is. It's been 3 weeks. And it has been killing it.
I know. जब ऐसे songs आते हैं, Gen Z language में कहो तो चटपटे songs, you know, काफी लोगों को पसंद आता है. But they do invite criticism. But you know, they do invite criticism.
Yeah.
Especially with a movie like Dhurandhar, लोग सवाल उठा रहे कि ऐसा songs क्यों लाना था? Why is it necessary? आप कैसे handle करते हो such kind of reactions? Yeah, how do you personally perceive it?
I think, you know, people have opinions.
Yeah.
And that's not something you can change. Taking people's opinions are okay, it's great. But whatever works for the film, whatever works for our director, whatever works, eventually works. So, आप अपना opinion दे सकते हो, but that's your opinion.
Yeah.
शादियों में किसी भी माहौल में शादियों में नाचते हैं,
जी.
शादियों में performances होते हैं, संगीत होता है.
जी.
जहाँ पे भी, wherever you are, even if you are doing a Western wedding, there is. I mean, I'm Christian, right?
Yeah.
And my brother got married. We did a dance. We did a flash mob. You know, there is dances everywhere. तो ये आपका opinion हो सकता है कि unnecessary song है, लेकिन मेरे लिए,
जी.
if it's a wedding sequence, गाने तो होने चाहिए, वरना इतने, like, I'm saying that this film has used songs so well. Imagine a fight sequence where you're saying Ramba.
Oh yeah.
Like, are you crazy? This is like next level, and I love it. So, cinema is evolving, and people are thinking out of the box, and that's what I love about this industry. That people are ready to take that risk.
Yeah.
Whether they fail or they prosper, and look at where we are at.
Yeah.
Like sometimes things just work. Like I feel your director who has made Uri, you know, can do this also.
Yes.
Can make a fight sequence fun to watch.
Yeah.
And there are so many fight sequences,
Of course.
and it is just
We
fun.
enjoyed it.
It is fun to watch every scene, every sequence because of the way it's all put out there. Like it's shot so well, it's executed so well, it's planned so well, it's conceptualized so well, and performed brilliantly, like by everyone.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
Lastly, आपका hook step के अलावा कौन सा favorite step रहेगा?
Hook step के अलावा?
Yeah. Hook step तो सबका favorite. Oh yeah.
It's in the song.
Yeah. Akshay.
Yeah, of course. It's my dad's favorite move. Yesterday when we were there for Christmas, all the time he was only doing this.
Oh wow.
So he's my in-house Akshay Khanna.
Acha.
Yeah, but I think this step is what I like, and एक और step है पर्दे के पीछे की एक
I love that.
काफी में चस्का चढ़ा. That's my like that line I really like.
Okay.
Yeah.
So क्योंकि आपको हमने डांस करते हुए ही देखा है, तो अब मेरे पास एक एक्टिविटी है. I have lyrics of the same song, और उसमें से आप देखोगे तो कुछ lines missing है.
Oh my God.
Come on, let's do it. You just sang it.
कच्ची कली साडा मासूम चेहरा नियत नूरानी साडा दिल है सुनहरा पर्दे के पीछे किए किसनू पता. That's blank, हाँ? पर्दे के पीछे किए किसनू पता एक अफीमी में चस्का चढ़ावा तेनू शरारत सिखावा जद ने ना लड़ावा.
Wow. No, you have a lovely voice. So that's what we had for you, Crystal. Thank you so much for joining in, and all the very best.
Thank you, Aishwarya. It was lovely speaking to you.
Same here, same.
Thank you. Hi, this is Crystal D'Souza, and you are watching me on India Forums.